Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create custom presets for each of the capture modes on GoPro Hero 13. To do this, first you'll need to swipe your finger from top of the screen and then move to the right. Make sure your controls are set to Pro, then you'll be able to create your own presets. Now we need to go back and select the mode we want to create or change a preset for. You can change the presets by clicking on right here and then pick whichever one you like. If you want to create your own presets, then click on this button right here, then the plus button, and now you can choose a custom icon for your preset as well as the name. Let's go with the bike. You can enter the custom one as well if you pick a top option. Now you can click again right here and then change whichever settings you like for that preset. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.